To connect car with Google Pixel 11, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter connected devices, and then we can scroll to connection preferences. Scroll all the way down again, and then there's Android Auto. Now if you click on it for the first time, you will need to have Wi-Fi connection, and it may open Google Play Store, where you will need to update Android Auto app. When it's updated, click on Connect a Vehicle, and then first option is to use a cable. So if you have compatible cable that allows you to connect both your car and your phone, you can try it. If it works, then you will see a prompt that will allow you to continue the setup. If you want, you can also use wireless method that allows you to connect your car via Bluetooth. So make sure that your Bluetooth is online on your phone, and also that it's online on your car. Then enter pairing mode on your specific vehicle model, and then click on connect using vehicle, pair vehicle, and select pair new device. Then find your car on this list and click on it to connect it with your phone. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.